Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Looking at today's weather map, we can see a 990 low-pressure system spinning just south of the central Aleutians, and this is bringing more precipitation in the form of rain, some rain heavy at times, to the southern side of the Alaska Peninsula, and this rain continues to spread up through southwest Alaska before becoming a little bit more showery as they get towards the Seward Peninsula, where we see some fog developing along the coastline there as warm temperatures continue to move up with this flow. High pressure remains in control over the Gulf of Alaska at 1,026 millibars, keeping most places clear for the eastern half of the state, although we have seen some marine stratus push into the coastal areas. We do have a line of thunderstorms and convection firing just east of the southeast Alaska, and that is starting to slide off just a little bit closer to Juneau, so we have some isolated thunderstorms in the forecast there this afternoon. Into tonight's forecast, those thunderstorms should taper off as the sun sets and we lose some of our heating from the daytime, and we'll see some showers just persist through southeast Alaska, mainly for the interior locations. High pressure remains in control over much of the state, with a 1025 high now in the northern portion of the Gulf, and wet weather continues for southwest Alaska as that occluded boundary starts to work its way just a little bit further northward, continuing to spread precip all the way from the Alaska Peninsula towards the Seward Peninsula. The Bering Sea starts to see ridging move in on Wednesday as that low-pressure system moves up towards the Bering Strait. And with that, we have continued precipitation for much of the western half of the state. Clouds could just spill into the Cook Inlet region tomorrow morning, but we should see a clearing trend throughout the day. And a new low-pressure system starts to make its appearance in the form of rain as we look out towards the western Aleutians. Over the Arctic coast, a 1023 millibar high is going to bring some fog and lower ceilings into the Arctic coastal areas. And then on Thursday, we see that area of high pressure move off to the northeast and just be replaced with some light showers for the western portion of the Brooks Range. Things should finally start to dry out for southwest Alaska on Thursday as high pressure, although transient, does move into the area and should help to clear things out. We do expect some fog to form with all this lingering moisture, so watch out for that on Thursday morning. Meanwhile, a new area of low pressure moves into the western Aleutians at 970 millibars, fairly strong low pressure system expected to bring moderate rainfall, much warmer temperatures, and storm force winds. Out over southeast Alaska, we expect some light showers, but for the most part, many locations will see just coastal fog and clearing skies. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller.